Hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video. But before we start our analysis, since it's Sunday today, gusto ko muna i-share din muna yung quick morning ganap ko ngayon, and it's with me at the Club Philippines. So today we're going to Laguna. Pag-ano lang naman dun, magki-quick drive-by, breakfast, then magkakaroon lang ng mga quick talk. Then after that, gagawin ko na yung analysis after nun. So yeah, enjoy this video muna.
May nasunod din, dapat meron tayong LRT line dito.
Welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, quick video lang kasi na-busy ako last weekend, and yun yung ginawa ko ng weekend, which is yung Mazda MX-5 10th anniversary kasi yung car ko nga is an MX-5. And yeah, gusto ko lang siya quickly share para makita nyo naman yung dahilan kung bakit di ako nakapag-post. But yeah, dahil tapos na yun, let's now go back to our usual analysis. So yeah, let's now dive in dito sa Bitcoin price action, and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sa previous analysis natin, what we were monitoring was this support and resistance na nagpo-form within the 20-day, 20-day moving average and the 50-day moving average. Kasi right now we are seeing certain support and resistance dito. If you're going to zoom in dito, we also tried checking if it's going to form a potential triangle dito, ascending triangle. Kasi in this case, doon natin aabangan if magiging bullish or bearish siya. So, diba sabi ko sa inyo, you have to wait out for that if it's bullish or bearish. Unfortunately, hindi ko na kayo nabigyan ng sunod-sunod na update last weekend kasi na-busy nga ako, and ayun nga, unfortunately, nagkaroon nga ng magandang move kay Bitcoin during that weekend. So, take note guys, if you want to learn yung mga ginagawa kong analysis para kahit paano if wala akong ma-post na video during the weekend, at least kahit paano, alam nyo rin kung paano gagawin yung mga ganyang type of analysis. You can check out our Gabs Crypto 101 playlist. It's available guys in the description down below. So this one is actually on trading patterns, on how you can trade the patterns, as well as yung isa naman is how you can trade the support and resistance using the moving average. So all of my tutorial kung paano gawin yung analysis na yun is available guys in the description down below. But yeah, let's now go back here and understand ano ba nangyari dito kay Bitcoin. So as you can see, it formed a ascending triangle. It broke bullish, and after breaking bullish, we are actually seeing yung continuation ng movement niya nga dyan. And right now, it's now starting to understand kung ano ba yung magiging next move dito. Right now, it's still too early to tell kung ano yung magiging next move dyan ni Bitcoin kasi wala pa tayong clear indicator. But as you can see, it's actually leaning towards a overbought Bitcoin price action. So indicating na it's actually time to take profits if you are in a long position dito kay Bitcoin for the short term. Now, if you're going to zoom out for the bigger time frame, which is for the longer term, you can still see na here in the Bitcoin price action, you can see na if you're going to look at the weekly time frame, we are still on a downtrend pa rin dito sa stochastic RSI. However, we are starting to gain some momentum dito, indicating na yun nga, we have to monitor kung ano ba yung mangyayari dyan, if it's going to form a bullish cross or bearish cross. But yun nga, the last time we saw a bearish cross, that indicated a downtrend nga dito kay Bitcoin. So let's see within the next few weeks kung ano magiging update dyan. But looking at this in the weekly time frame again dito sa isa pang chart natin, you can still see na we are still inside this massive wedge dito in the RSI. And if you're going to zoom in dito, you are actually going to see na meron tayong panibagong resistance dito, which is around the 121,000 US dollars. So we have to monitor if this is going to break dito kay Bitcoin, kasi if this is going to break kay Bitcoin, then we might see actually a somewhat of a continuation movement dito kay Bitcoin. But when it comes to how far are we going to get dito, we can see na 126 is the only possible area for Bitcoin to go up dito. Kasi 126, if you're going to zoom out dito, is more likely a resistance ng ascending or ng rising wedge na nag-form dito kay Bitcoin. So, yeah, rising wedge is also a bearish pattern dito kay Bitcoin. So, a lot of signs indicating na we are still continuing this bigger pattern. We are still continuing this bigger pattern in the rising wedge. We are still continuing this pattern sa RSI. And looking at this in the daily time frame, we are still, or actually let's open this other chart, we are still playing out that previous analysis na monitor natin. So right now, I don't think that there is a swing tradable opportunity for the time being, but if you are in a long position, it's actually a time for you to take profits, especially if you're going to look at this in the 4-hour time frame. It's already overbought. So I don't think na we have anything to trade for as of the time being, and yun yung talaga nakikita ko ngayon. But we'll try to see within the next few days kung may mag-develop na panibagong indicators. So make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and notification bell para if ever na mag-post ako, hindi nyo ma-miss out yun. And you can also follow my Instagram page kasi doon nag-update ako sa channel ko doon kung yung real life update kung magpo-post ako ng video or not. And I'll try to update you as much as possible, guys, sa Instagram page ko, which is in the description down below. And my Instagram is Tristan Bal, and you can find that, guys, on the description down below din. If you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, you can actually trade pa din, guys, kay Bybit. And if you want to trade kay Bybit, make sure to trade with bybitglobal.com kasi kay Bybit, mas mura Bitcoin trading fees. And meron pa rin ako sign up link in the description down below, guys, if you want to sign up with Bybit. But yeah, yun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.